Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Atlas Image 2026 pricing overview video. I have recently updated the pricing page here on alexheights.com, which is where you will find all of the Atlas Image information here. I have also updated the photo portfolio to just show all of the different styles all on one single page here. But yeah, the main thing is I have done a complete pricing overhaul to the page here. And I just wanted to go ahead and go through all of the changes that have occurred and just some tips and whatnot about how to handle the pricing changes going into 2026 here. So at alexheights.com/pricing-real estate, this is where you will find the residential pricing here. I also have a link to a master list PDF that just has it all in text. To just quickly reference if you would like, but I have sort of changed around the way that we are doing the basic listing photos here. So it used to be called baseline, standard, and premium. I've changed it to basic, standard, premium. And some of you may have remembered during 2025 that when you were ordering standard photos, sometimes I was shooting it with my flash. I'll show you here. This thing. Some of you may have remembered me using this. And this is now officially just in the premium category. I was using the opportunity on some of these photo shoots at the standard level to practice the flash method. So some of you guys were actually getting kind of, higher end photography done when standard actually technically is an HDR method. So if you come here on the pricing page here, you can see the three different styles, and you can hit the little drop down to see the details about all of the individual methods here and how they work, when they get delivered, and then you can drop down the pricing here. So the main things that have changed here, as far as the standard pricing, I have an option on the basic tab for up to 20 photos at $75. I have been using this tier very commonly for rental photo shoots, where you're limited to like 10 to 12 photos, I believe. So I've been doing a lot of $75 photo shoots for companies that just need very basic rental photos. And then I have an up to 50 photos option that is $100. This was a $89 level before, and now I have raised that to exactly $100. And then over in standard, some of the lower tiers have been raised up, but the higher tiers, I believe, have been untouched. So the lowest tier now is 150, whereas before it was 125. And then the one that was 150 is now 175. Now this is still very reasonable in this market and compared to my competitors. I don't love raising my prices where I don't have to, but this was definitely one where going into 2026, these lower tiers needed to come up a little bit. And that's also because a lot of the premium flash work is being done over here on the premium side only. And these are largely the same pricing here. So I'm also using some automated software to help with the blending on these standard photos. And as you can see, as I have updated the photo portfolio here, you can see examples of this standard photography here, which I am very pleased with these results that have been coming out of this software that I have been using. So that is the largest change, is the lower tiers of the standard pricing have gone up slightly, and I'm using a different method for the standard now. But if you still want that very airy, kind of ethereal, magazine editorial look, you can still get the premium option here. So the add-ons, I have gotten rid of the package pricing. Not a whole lot of people were using it. So in this case, it's just a very simple, if you have 3 to 5 add-ons, final invoice gets 15% chopped off. 6 to 8 add-ons, you get 20% off for those, really larger shoots here. So yeah, just very basic stuff here. It's all the same. I have included a little thing on every bit of detail that includes aerial and drone stuff. You can check if your listing is in an available fly space by clicking on this link here. And then you can like see if you're in the red zone, we can't fly there. If it's orange or none, you're good to go. So I need to make sure that this opens in a new tab, just so it doesn't pull me out of here. But you can enter in the address to your listing and zoom in on this website. Let's just zoom in here just to show you. And you'll see the red box here. Anything in this red box, I cannot fly the drone. Anything in the orange or just, no colors, I can fly the drone. So you can check to see if your listing actually will allow for drone flight before we actually book anything. So also have some of these. I have autoplay disabled in my browser, but I have these auto-playing little videos here to showcase the cinematic video tour and the social media reel. The pricing on the cinematic video tour, I think, has altered slightly. And you can add drone footage for an additional $50 there. Also on the aerial videography, I've simplified the pricing here quite a lot. A minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then it's available either in a vertical reel or horizontal desktop format. You just need to let me know before we do the shoot, so I know how to film it properly. And then the social media reel, this is the big thing. I've shot a good handful of these in 2025, and this is making its first appearance in the official pricing on my page here. And the pricing is a little bit higher than the like kind of prototype pricing I was doing as I was learning this new product. You can just get a very basic house highlight tour that'll have the music, address, titles, transitions, all that for $175. And I need to actually add it into the details, but these can be anywhere from 30 seconds up to like 90. And I know that I think Instagram is allowing much longer reels now, but around 30 to 90 seconds is kind of the sweet spot. And then if you want to include agent commentary or voiceover, like you're seeing in this example here, that'll be a $250 price point. And again, if you want to add drone footage, it's just an additional $50 there. And yeah, Twilight is pretty much the exact same here. It's altered slightly. And the day to dusk edits are $25 each still. 3D Zillow Tours, these are staying the same. Virtual staging, I have it to where if you get 5 or more, they're $25 each instead of 30 each. Yeah, really happy with the software that is able to do virtual staging these days. And then floor plans. I'm very transparent that these are Cubicasa floor plans, which you as an agent are able to capture yourself. Many of you do. But for those who just want it to be taken care of by their photographer, anything below the 5,000 square foot large property fee that Cubicasa charges, I just charge a simple $20. And then if you want the square foot measurements on that, Cubicasa charges $15 for that. So I just up that price to $15 there. You're basically paying $20 for my time. And then the 5,000 square foot thing just factors in a bit of buffer for that large property fee. And then the number at the bottom, which you can use to call or text anytime to shoot. So that is where we are on the pricing for 2026. Like I said, not in love that I've had to raise my pricing, but also, as I get better in my photography and my expertise grows, with that comes some level of value. And I'm also trying to make value for my clients as well where possible. So hope that kind of clears up all of the stuff for 2026 pricing. If anyone has any questions, you can let me know directly. Either my phone number, my email, alexheitz@gmail.com, or you can comment on this video. But yeah, I hope you all have a blessed 2026 season, and very eager to continue working with all of my lovely clients. So till next time, take care, fare thee well, and Godspeed.